In this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through installing the Monoblock on your PHLster. Make sure you have all the necessary tools and hardware. The Monoblock hardware kit for the PHLster is not the same as the kit offered by Discrete Carry Concepts, so make sure you have all the correct pieces. The best way to ensure you have the correct hardware is to pick up our PHLster Monoblock set when you purchase your holster. First, we will start with the screw post. This piece goes on the inside of the holster facing up. You'll then place the rubber spacer on the outside of the holster around the screw post. Repeat this process with your second screw post and rubber spacer, with 1 hole spacing between your screw posts. Now place your monoblock onto the rubber spacers and add your screws. We recommend securing your screws with Loctite after ensuring that the monoblock is your preferred holster clip. And with that, you should be good to go. For more information, make sure to check out the description box below as well as the instructions available on our website.